making sure that they take ownership of the work that they do and that they have pride in the work that they're doing and helping the customer. We like to consider our techs to be heroes for our customers. We get wonderful feedback from all of our customers after our service visit, so it really helps keep our technicians motivated when we do hear back from our customers of how thrilled they are with the service and how thankful they are with the training that we provided while on site. What sets us apart is the ability for our customers to be in direct contact with the service tech immediately, just with a phone call or an email. A lot of these larger companies usually have to go through steps, talk to an operator, then leave a message. Wexler, you don't have to do that. We have open lines of communication between our techs and our customers, and if you have a question for the technician that was just at your facility and you can't remember exactly what their answer was when you discussed it at the time, you can reach that technician who was there last week. We are a tight-knit group, we have open communication, and we all know about what is going on any given day at a customer site. So there's really no gaps in communication in our team here at Wexler.